Here's a modernised EPL KONE hydraulic lift at Toowong Station. Really old chime. 80s EPL KONE. This one's got modernised. This one's dark, but it's got panachrome sensors. Go to this one's a darker one. Cat view. There's our friend. Go back up to C, which is short for concourse. Here we are at concourse. And here's the other lift is just over here. Love that old 80s EPL KONE chime. This one's just got regular sensors. This is just boring. And not panachrome. Go to no door close button. This one's brighter. Video security camera in use. Yep, there he is. C005. Weird of how this call button is a door open button. That's strange. That's very weird. Of when this lift gets replaced, it should be like a Liftronic, Unitronic MRO, like most train stations, and it should have a sign saying like press for lift. Going down or not? Go back to platform. Here we are at platform. Gosh, this is slow. We'll take a look at the shaft. You might not be able to see it, but definitely 100% hydraulic. And that's it. Before I end the video, here's a train, SMU 201. And that's the only half. And that's it.